Welcome back. Daylight saving time ended overnight, and while that does mean an extra hour of sleep, experts say any disruption in our sleep patterns can throw off our schedule and negatively impact our health. Sydney Schofield spoke to a sleep specialist at UNC Health to find out the best ways to keep sleep quality intact amid the time change.
Sleep is one of the key pillars of health, just like diet and exercise.
Dr. Mary Ellen Wells runs the Sleep Science Division at UNC's Medical School in Chapel Hill. She says shifting our sleep schedule twice a year for daylight saving time can make a big difference.
Anytime that we're disrupting our sleep schedule, even as little as an hour, it can have detrimental effects to our health.
Enough sleep disruption over time can carry serious risks.
There are a whole host of health-related issues that research has shown to be put people at risk for, such as cardiovascular risk and such as risk of strokes and heart attacks. There's connections with diabetes and obesity.
It can also affect your mood and cognitive function.
So it's not only about the amount of sleep that we are getting, it's also about the quality of the sleep.
To get better rest, Dr. Wells says you should try to keep bedtimes and morning alarms as consistent as possible, even on weekends. Avoid heavy meals and technology before bedtime, limit caffeine intake after lunch, and try to get some sunlight first thing to keep your circadian rhythm intact. While there are popular gadgets out there like rings and watches that can track your sleep, Dr. Wells says the best indicator of a good night's rest is simply how you feel.
With devices, there's not a lot of research out there that is proven for how effective they all are. So it's important to really think about how you're feeling and not necessarily a number that's shown on a screen.
If you are having trouble sleeping, Dr. Wells says there are nearly 100 recognized sleep disorders, and they're usually very treatable. So she recommends seeing a doctor sooner rather than later. In Chapel Hill, Sydney Schofield, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.